MEGA G3 contains two search systems: Long Range Locator System, Ionic System. To use Long Range Locator System, the device is set up as following. The antennas are connected to the main unit of the device. Then the antennas are pulled out to its maximum length possible. The antenna balance can be adjusted from the top of the antenna by rotating it right and left until the height is same between the two antennas. We turn on the device by pressing the power button. After selecting the language from Languages menu, we select Long Range Locator System. After selecting Long Range Locator System, the Targets menu in the device will appear. Then the user can select the appropriate target by pressing the Enter button. After selection of the target, the program loading screen will appear. The Long Range Locating screen will show the name of the program that we have chosen with the table of distances and depths. Switching between distances and depths through up and down buttons. You can change the precise frequency setting by pressing and hold down button until hearing a different tone, and changing the value with the right and left buttons. The user can increase or decrease the frequency to 12 Hz. The increment rate is 1 Hz at every press. It is preferable to leave the precise frequency on the factory default at 0. Target control with boxing method. This method allows the operator to determine the target location and to clarify the trueness of the target. A square is completed around the target with a distance of about 200 centimeters, 7 feet, from the target center. When the operator is at the same line with the target, the antennas turn to the target. If the target is real, the antennas should turn to the target from all 4 sides. Otherwise, there is a possibility that the target being not real.